Okay, this stretchy thingy is looking a tad worse for wear. I've had it and used it regularly for several years now. Mine has faded noticeably in color, used to be a brighter pink, and it's stretchier than it used to be. Either that, or I've become super strong and flexible, and much as I'd like to believe the latter, it's probably the former. So this is a little piece of exercise equipment that I keep at the office, and I've just brought it home today to film. I have really poor shoulder flexibility by nature, so I use this for two main purposes. One is to stretch it out, roll it above my shoulders, and ease it into shoulder stretching behind my back. The other is to work on some gentle back bends when I'm in that position. These are perfect exercises to do at work for a wee stretch between computer work, I found. I feel really good after, very invigorated. I also get a bit of resistance without grabbing heavy weights. The balls at the end are perfectly designed to grip. Even a light grip suffices. It's a funny looking stretch band, even a bit grotesque, I think, but I totally recommend it.